Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Maps, pro tips step by step clearly. Open the Google Maps app on your device. Allow the app to access your location for accurate navigation. To find a destination, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the place or address you want to go to. As you type, suggestions will appear below the search bar. Select the correct location from the list of suggestions. Once the location is selected, tap on Directions. Choose your preferred mode of transportation, driving, walking, or public transit. For driving, select whether you want to avoid tolls or highways. Tap Start to begin navigation. Follow the voice prompts for turn-by-turn directions. If you need to stop along the way, you can add additional stops. To find nearby places, tap the Explore icon at the bottom. Use filters to search for restaurants, gas stations, or attractions. To save locations, tap the star icon to add them to your favorites. For offline access, download a map area by selecting Offline Maps in the settings. Tap Select your own map and choose the area you want to save. It's important to check for updates regularly for the latest features. Utilize Street View by dragging the yellow pegman icon onto the map. You can view 360-degree images of streets and locations. For more detailed directions, tap on specific routes to see options. Check estimated arrival times and current traffic conditions displayed on the map. If you're unfamiliar with an area, use the Nearby feature to discover local services. Remember, you can easily share your location with friends from the app. To customize your map view, select between satellite and terrain options. Keep your profile updated with preferences for a personalized experience. Explore yearly updates for new features and enhancements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.